Uh, Good afternoon. My name is Deymar. Uh, I'm the presentation my my analysis. Valuation and technological negotiation. Student Deymar Baños Padilla. Tutor Julio César González. Group 69. Intangible Assets Consent Map. Recent study conducted between companies from all industry sectors, manufacture and services, show how digitalization in companies play an increasingly important role that helps business development. There is growing awareness and entrepreneurs are beginning to move forward in digital transformation. This strongly impacts economic growth, employment, education, health, and quality of life. A very positive element is that more than 98% of entrepreneurs consider it important to promote the use of their energy on digital technologies in their companies. This happened with 98.4% of the owners in the industry, compared to the 78.5% in 2016, and with 98% in the services sector 2017. Implementing technology strategies in the key to current economic growth.